And we're live. Hey folks, it's Milan with my home group, and today wanted to shoot a quick video and show you my open house that I'm holding here in North Scottsdale. Let me turn the camera. There you go. Alright, so that's the house. The address is 10062 East Bell Road, and the subdivision name is Villa Altazanos. Really nice area. That's the house right there. Pardon the traffic, that's the neighbor. And so let's go in and I'll show you what 680,000 will get you in North Scottsdale. So this one is 2775 square feet. Two-story home, and as we walk in, there you go. You have to your right living room, really nice wood-looking porcelain tiles, white baseboards, custom plantation shutters throughout, high ceilings, and that's the kitchen. Granite countertops, gas cooktop. I believe these are 48-inch cabinets. Plenty of space to entertain, really nice area. So that's where we came from. There you go. Kitchen, formal dining right there. The master is downstairs, and then that's the living room. Courtyard with travertine and some flowers. This is the master. Again, plantation shutters throughout, really good size. Home has these high ceilings and plenty of natural light, so it feels much bigger than actually 2,700 square feet. Master bath. Walk-in closet. Shower right here with frameless steel or glass doors. Bathtub, and then as we go back on this side we have storage room right here, pretty self-explanatory. This would be the laundry room, see the gas right there, and then a little powder room right here. Okay, let's go quickly upstairs. I want to show you the views from the balcony. Those are actually the real selling point of the house. So here on the second story we have a big loft area right here with balcony right over there, and then 2 bedrooms upstairs. You can see, I think this room is probably 11 by 12 or 11 by 13. We go this way, there's a little charging station right there. Guest bath right over there. And then this is the second bedroom upstairs. Again, I think this one is probably a little bit bigger. This one is probably 12 by 14. From this room you have nice views of the mountains right there. But I want to show you the balcony that's right on this side. This is the coolest part of the house, really. So we have McDowell Mountains Preserve views to the east, and then as we turn this way, the views of the valley to the west. There you go. This is pretty nice, right? And the big on Bell Road and Thompson Peak Parkway is right over there. It's actually walking distance. Okay, let's go back in. I'll close this. So there you go. Again, this is 10062 East Bell Road in North Scottsdale, close to Bell Road and Thompson Peak Parkway. House is listed for 689,000, 2,775 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bed, plus that loft that you saw. If I'll be here today till like 3 o'clock, so if you're in the area, stop by and say hi. I would love to see you. Thanks and have a good day.